Alright, today I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you what it looks like. This is the creator combo version of it, where it comes with DJI mic transmitter, DJI microphone, and a battery handler, as well as a wide angle lens that comes along with it. And it says it comes with 2 transmitter and 2 mics. It looks like, or mic 2. We'll see what it has inside of it. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Comes with a 1-inch CMOS sensor right here. It can record 4K up to 120 frames per second. 3-axis gimbal right there. Active traction, 2-inch rotatable screen. We're going to get all into this stuff right here. Stereo recording, and the list goes on and on and on. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the package. I'm going to use my ScanDisk Extreme Plus card right here, 512 gigabytes. Speeds up to 200 megabytes per second. All right, that's the reading, and then writing is 140. This is Extreme Plus. You have to actually have one that actually is able to read and write fast to go along with this. I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here. It says DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. There is pull sticker. I'm going to go pull that. In here, it looks like some sort of treat. Here it says silica. Right here, silica gel. Do not eat, throw away. Inside, there is. Open that up, put that to the side for a second. There's a couple of things in here. A lot of reading material that is inside of here. Looks like sticker. They're taking this from Apple. We can get stickers and put on. I don't know what I'd put this on. Maybe a bumper. Here's a quick start guide that goes along with it. Very simple. I'm going to put this to the side, as well as instructions, safety guidelines. Definitely read this before operating the product. All right, enough with the reading material. We have the package, and see what comes inside of the package. Looks like, what is this? Inside, this looks like a protective cover. Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. It says right here. Protective cover right there. Place it in there to protect it. Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover is suitable for daily storage. Place Osmo Pocket 3 in the protective cover with the touch screen faced down and the gimbal against the top protective cover as shown in the diagram. It's cool to know. Put that to the side. Inside, it actually shows you what to do. It says wide angle lens goes right there. Black Pro Mist. Not exactly sure what it is, but outside of this, it's like a thin rubber. A lot of traction, grip on that. Not exactly sure what that part is, but we'll find out. We're going to mess around and find out. So I'm going to go ahead, pull this out. Nice packaging. It looks like a carrying case of some sort. Looks interesting design of packaging that they have. I believe this is instructions. I believe that's in French. I'm going to go ahead and open this part up. Wow, so this is a nice packaging that they have going on. I'm going to pull out things one by one. This looks like it's either extension or a battery. Has a USB connection right there, USB-C. When mounting, insert the battery handle into the Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. When detaching, press and hold the release button to indicate the battery level. It shows the green. There's some battery charge in there. I can take this off, but I'm just going to keep that there for now. Also inside of this package right here, looks like some sort of tripod mount. It's a very short tripod mount that you have going on right here. Guess this you can actually screw into that right there. We'll get to that in a second. So that's a tripod mount. Put that tripod up so it doesn't fall. There's a lot of goodies inside. Okay, so right here looks like some sort of windscreen. There's a windscreen for the microphone. It's showing right there. A little fuzzy windscreen. And then there is a strap handle. This can be attached, I believe, to the Osmo Pocket 3, which we'll get to momentarily. So we have the items right there. There's still more inside that I'm going to get to. Right here is, I believe this is mounting handle. So this is the handle right here. Mounting handle. I don't know why they have two of them. This extension handle. Pretty interesting. I'm going to figure all this out at some point. I believe this is maybe it goes right here. I don't know. We're going to figure this out. But there's a USB-C male part, and there's the female right there, as well as a 1/4 inch screw clip. I believe this operates in the same function as far as, I'm not sure, but I'm going to figure that all out. So inside, this is the transmitter. See, it says DJI has a USB-C. There's a power button right there, a clip. I believe this is for chaining, for like mono, both channels. Figure that out. Power switch on this side. If you want to have a microphone input, you can do that as well, right here. Insert the microphone if you need to. Put that to the side. There's more things keep on coming out of this. Right here is a USB-C cable. Goes for charging and connecting possibly to a computer. And inside of the case, last but not least, you can see this right here, a nice case for keeping everything in. Here is the Pocket Osmo. And right here on the screen it says, oh, I'm dropping everything. Almost like it's hot. Go ahead and pick up all. Pause. All right, so I got my life back together. So on this, it says that there is rotate screen. So this is the screen, and there's a shutter button. The shutter button is right here for recording. And this is the joystick right here. And it says for the shutter button, press once to power on, take photos, or record for this right here. And right here is rotate screen. Rotate the screen right here, or whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate the screen. So you can see rotate the screen. I just simply turned it like that. And the screen rotated. You see that? I'm going to peel this off so you can see the screen. The lights came on just like that. And so right when you turn it on, it comes with, you can select the different languages. Right here. Go through English. All of these right here. Dutch, Espanol, France, Portuguese. All of this. I'm going to go with English. Okay. So this is to download the Memo. This is an app that you download to your phone right here. It says to scan it. I'm going to skip over that. It says swipe to skip. So like now it is actually, it's on. And I can control. This is pretty cool with that lever. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Boom. And then I'm going to flip the screen back to where it was. I'm going to look at some of the attachments that go along here. I'm going to go ahead and put, first things first, is the wrist strap in. So there's a side, there's part on there on the side right here. I'm just going to put this through the loop. It should go through. It's not going through the loop, so maybe I'll put that through later. Maybe get some thread or something. And look on the side, there's a slot for the USB, or not the USB, but the memory card right here. Put the memory card on the side. Looks like the attachments. I'm going to look at the attachments really quickly. So I believe this one right here is just an extension handle. And it allows you to mount it. It looks like it allows you to mount it onto a tripod stand. So I think this part right here comes with the non-combo version of it, but you're allowed to put it on a stand with the attachment. Great attachment theory. So you have that, and to release it, press this button. Voila. And then this is a battery extension. So the battery will last longer with this, and it also has the port at the bottom. So I'm going to put this right there. Make sure it's clipped in on the side. It shows how much battery. And it's charging, so it's a... So this battery is at 57%. The main battery inside of the device is at 56%. And then there is DJI. This is for the microphone. The cover goes on. Let me go ahead and put that together really quickly. So that's it right here. It clips in like that, the microphone, windscreen, but if you have an external lapel mic or lavalier mic, you can insert it right there and use that instead of using the microphone that comes with this. Pretty neat. And it connects directly with the DJI, I believe via Bluetooth. So here it is in its glory right here. And so when the battery is not charging, go ahead and unclip that. And then put it away. I'm just going to put it into this case right here. Sits in there quite nicely for protection. I don't know, just put that there. I don't think that it goes there. So it sits in there quite nicely. I believe that's how it goes. It sticks out at the end a little bit, protection from the side. Goes back into the case. Microphone. Goes inside of the case. Something like that. Get organized a little bit. doesn't shut quite. I don't know, I'll figure something out. It went in there somehow. And that is not it. Let me see if I can figure that out. How did I get it in there gracefully? That's when I first got it. So put the tripod right here. Put this right here. There we go. How about I turn this to the side? Makes a little bit more sense. See if I can. There we go. Put that on top. And put the cable. Take the cable. In there. Forget the wrist strap. I'll put that together later. Let's go ahead and zip this together. Voila. And that is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 unboxing. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.